Hi, here's another Stahlwille review. Stahlwille made in Germany, pronounced Stahlwille by the Germans. This is a quick release quarter drive set. Serial number 40246R, 60R, 40246R. It's got 6-point quarter drive sockets, 2 extensions, a T handle. You can join all the things together like a normal socket set, of course. I mean, if you just, I don't know if you'd ever actually do this. You might do something like that, but it won't come apart because everything's locked together unless you press these little buttons down. That's the good feature with this socket set. That's one of the reasons I got it. So I've just got one hand here. It's got sockets up to all the sizes up to 14mm with a 5.5 in there as well. It's got hex 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. It's got 2 number 1 phillips, 2 number 2 phillips. It's got the slotted screwdrivers there. I think it's 0.6 by 3.5, 1 by 5.5 and 3 by 8. Yeah, if you haven't seen Stahlwille sockets before, they all come with these this little knurl around the base there, which is really handy if you're loosening or tightening things, trying to get a bolt in an awkward place, and you can only do it by hand with a socket. And you got oily hands or something like that. It's a good little feature. It gives it extra grip, I find. Quite a lot of extra grip, and that can be important. Little features like that are great. The inside of this socket comes with a fine tooth, 80 tooth ratchet, the quick release mechanism on there as well. Very nice to use. Uni joint. I think that's a 5.5mm long extension. This one's 5.5 centimeters. 15 centimeter extension, and little spinner handle. You can hang that up as well. Toile. And there's a T handle as well. All the sizes are written up there. Really robust, tough plastic carry case. I've used the old metal ones as well, and this is heaps better. For example, you can just chuck it on the ground, kick it around. Nothing rattles, nothing falls apart. It's strong. I think it's an improvement over the old ones. I think they kind of lock together too if you stack them up. So yeah, I've also got this little Drawl 400 spinner handle too, because you can whack a ratchet or something in the back there to give a bit more torque. That doesn't have the quick release lock on feature, but it's still nice grippy handles too. They're quite grippy. If you compare it to something like Wera, that's quite smooth and slippery. The yellow bit's sticky, but they're nice too. But yeah, in the bits that are matte here, it's nice and grippy around that little bit in there. Okay, so that's another review. Hope you like it. I think I covered all the information. If you want some more information, just ask about it, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.